Hollywoodbets has been making waves in the online betting scene, but is it really as good as it sounds? Today, we're digging into what this platform offers and whether it's a trustworthy option for your betting needs. Hollywoodbets is an online betting site that offers a variety of betting options, including sports, casino games, and virtual sports. The interface is fairly user-friendly, which is great for both beginners and seasoned bettors. You can place bets on popular sports like soccer, rugby, and cricket, and they also have a decent selection of international events. One thing that stands out is their live betting feature, allowing users to place bets in real time as events unfold. However, there are some aspects that feel a bit vague. For instance, while they list several promotions and bonuses, the details are not always clear, and it can be hard to find the terms and conditions associated with these offers. Also, the site seems to have limited payment options compared to some other betting platforms, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Overall, while the core functionality is solid, there are definitely areas that could use more transparency. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Hollywoodbets offers a wide range of betting options, and the user interface is straightforward enough for newcomers. Their live betting feature is also a nice touch for those who enjoy the thrill of in-game betting. On the downside, there are concerns about transparency, especially regarding promotions and payment methods. The lack of detailed information can leave users feeling a bit uncertain. Additionally, some users may find that the customer support isn't as responsive as they'd hope, which can be frustrating when issues arise. Also, if you're looking for a wide variety of payment options, you might want to consider alternatives, as Hollywoodbets doesn't cover as many methods as some competitors. Overall, while there are strengths, the weaknesses could be significant for some users. In conclusion, Hollywoodbets has potential, especially for sports betting enthusiasts, but it's not without its issues. If you value a user-friendly experience and a solid range of sports options, it might be worth a try. However, if transparency and customer support are high on your list, you may want to explore other platforms first.